Hi, you're watching the unboxing of the Acer Nitro 5 Intel Core i5 9th generation gaming laptop. Looks like a premium gaming laptop it has some pretty neat graphics on top. Let's find out if we have some other information on this particular box. Let's check it out. Couple of information on the back. Screen size is 13.5 centimeters and width is 19.5 centimeters. Diagonal is 39.62 centimeters, which basically means there's around 15.6 inches of display. Let's check out the other side, see what extra information we have. A couple of stuff over here. Processor Intel Core i5 9300H. This has a graphics card which is NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 with 4 GB dedicated VRAM. Nothing out of the ordinary, like memory of 8 GB DDR4 memory, which is also pretty standard. Also very powerful for a gaming laptop such as this. And of course the operating system, which is Windows 10 Home, pre-installed in this particular laptop. Let's not waste any more time. Let's just dive right into what's inside the box. Let's check it out. You can also carry it around like so. So that's one extra feature I wanted to add. So there. Let's take a look. Let's take a look inside. What do we have here? Protective padding. A lot of protective padding. This seems to be the laptop. Yep. This is your laptop. Let's keep it here for a while. Let's take a look at what other stuff we can find inside the box. Of course, we have your very standard setup guide for Nitro 5. Please read this. Everything that you need to know about your product, how to set up, how to configure, you will generally find inside this document. So very important document, don't lose it. And we also have a separate, much thicker quick guide for your Nitro 5 gaming laptop. Give this a read as well. Let's keep them here. What other thing do we have inside the box? There's a very cute looking box here. Seems to be upside down. Yes. Let's see what's inside this one. Is wattage mentioned here? Yeah, seems to be a 135 watt charger, laptop charger. Once again, standard for a gaming laptop these days. Let's put this one here and move this box over here. Now let's take a look at the laptop. Now let's take a look at the laptop itself. As you can see, premium finish once again. It has this particular design over here, which very, very common in gaming laptops these days. You will see the Nitro logo over here. Let's take a look inside very quickly. There's a couple of information here as well. There's obviously the Core 5 9th Gen Intel processor, which runs this particular laptop. It's inbuilt here, along with the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card. Pretty standard for all gaming laptops. This is a very basic build for gaming laptops these days. Also quite premium because look at the finish. It's stunningly beautiful. Couple of more information here, like narrow bezel, which is, if you can see over here, the bezel is quite narrow. I don't know if I can show much more than that. That's it. That's all you will. Let's check what's underneath. Just a couple of rubber stoppers here, and that's it. You have your standard USB ports here and an HDMI port and a C-type charging port as well, along with another USB port here and your headphone jack and a charging port right over here. And that's it. That is what you will find inside the box containing the Acer Nitro 5 Intel Core i5 9th generation gaming laptop. Thank you for watching.